Hey guys, today I'm opening up this F1F2-The Cubes memory foam pillow. So you can see right there, world's first geometric structure pillow. Alright, my husband's helping me with this, so open that up, honey.
Unbox Lifestyle.
Alright, let's...
Oh, thank you card.
Pillowcase.
It's a pillowcase.
Alright, come on, let's get to it. I want to see it.
Okay, I'm just going to rip into it.
Yep.
Hard pillow sleep, soft pillow sleep.
Ooh, it's two-sided.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Oh, here, this is a heightened pad. If you wanted to add some more to it, you could slide this inside.
Nice. Alright, open it up. Let's check it out.
Here's the zipper. Is that as far as it comes? That is, okay. Trying to get it pulled out of here.
Alright, so while he's opening it up, I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to leave a link to this in the description so that you can check it out yourself. Okay. I think that there's a second case on it.
This one shows soft, and this one shows hard.
Is there another case, though?
No, that's it.
No, you got to be able to get to it. Here, right here. Look, look, look.
There is?
Yeah. Isn't that what that is right there?
No. It's not. Nope.
Okay. Maybe this... Okay. So then it's completely enclosed. So then, okay, the pictures that I was seeing is just so that you could see what it looks like inside.
I think the head pictures are showing you what the cube frames and stuff
are
looking like.
I can tell... Wait a minute. See my fingers? You can see how it's cubed off. See the lines in there? That is nice and soft.
It is. And this one's the hard side.
Okay, flip it over.
And this one's the soft side. Oh, that's nice. The soft side has the little short cubes. The hard side has the longer cubes.
Yeah, so this is what's inside.
Yeah. Well, this is nice.
And then it comes with another pillowcase. That's what it was. It comes with that other pillowcase as well. Alright, so this is super comfy, and I can post later after we try it out tonight. Let you know what we think of it after using it for a couple nights.
I will be trying it.
Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day.